morning everyone. So welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who don't know me, I am Dr. Akshata, currently pursuing my dream infectious diseases in AIMS Jodhpur. Um, I've got various comments and various requests asking what exactly I am doing as an ID specialist and what is my work routine, what do I do, whether we have rounds, whether we see cases, how and how is it. So yeah, today I thought I will make this video to take you on a trip to a day in my life in the hospital. So basically, on a regular day, we have posting. So we have, as I mentioned before, we have 4 months of medicine posting, 4 months of pediatrics, and 4 months of micro postings. So current, I just finished my pediatrics postings, and now currently I'm in medicine. So in this postings, what I'm expected to do. So we have morning we are supposed to attend the rounds. So there are two kinds of rounds which happen. One is the general rounds, or where we'll be looking after all the patients, and second part is the ID rounds, which happen around 2 to 3 times a week, where we'll be presenting ID specific cases which we'll be discussing in details. In the general rounds, we'll be looking at all the patients because we also need to know that, which is equally important. And when when the clinician has any doubt regarding the appropriate dose or correct antibiotic or the diagnosis, so they will ask us even during the rounds. Um, After these rounds, in generally we will follow up the reports with the micro department because we are acting as a link between the micro as well as the clinical side. So we make sure that we get the reports on time, and then we will have ICU rounds. So we because the ICU people had requested for our opinion in many of the cases, so we just go to the ICU for the rounds, and that is we will just have a look at what antibiotics they have been giving, whether any difficult to treat antimicrobial resistance cases will be providing our advisors, candidemia will be providing our advisors, and any difficult to diagnose tropical fevers or difficult to treat TB, HIV, all these cases will be providing our inputs. So they have been very receptive in that. After that, we will usually it will become around 12:31. We have our lunch, quick lunch, and on Thursdays we have our OPD. So that OPD, that is the ID clinic we have. Before usually the OPD starts from 11 or 12. When we'll go on till we complete all the ID specific cases. So from various departments, the ID related cases will be referred to our clinic. Also patients who are purely ID, so they will also be coming for us, like mostly PLHA, the TB cases, and various others cases which are referred by various other departments. So during this, along we ID students will be sitting, our course coordinator and one of the senior professor will be sitting, and we'll all be individually seeing the patients, the new patients as well as the follow-up patients. So, and this was about the OPD. Then we have our classes. So we have 3 types of classes. One is a medicine class, where we'll be attending the ID related, so the various articles or the journals they present, and whenever it is relevant to ID, so those classes we are supposed to attend. Then we have the micro classes where we have the blood culture meet and antibiotic classes. So these happen 2 times a week. One is on Monday and another one on Tuesday. So the blood culture meet, basically it is a meet where the micro residents will be presenting the various cases based on their pathogen specific pathogen directed AMSP rounds. So they will be providing their inputs and we will be providing our inputs, and also it is collaboration, not only ID and micro, the various other departments are also involved in this, like surgery, ICU, etc. Then we have our own classes, that is our ID classes. We have it on 2 days a week. So we will have various journal club, case presentations, seminars, all which are related to ID. So these classes usually happen 3 to 4 for this ID classes. Medicine classes in morning 8 to 9, and micro classes between 4 to 5. Yeah, that is about it. So after these classes, or in between the classes, whenever we get time, we will get lot of references from all over the hospital actually. So the references can be from gastrosurgery, gastroenterology, urology, nephrology, etc., pediatrics. All these cases will be getting references. So we go for those references and provide advice for those cases. Yeah, that is about it. After this, we have the evening rounds. So evening rounds there will be shorter rounds than the morning, but yes, it's a necessary round. So we have the evening rounds where we will be going back to the same cases and giving the rounds. That is again looking at the various investigation which were ordered in the morning, whether they have been done, and the progress of the patient, any worsening is there. So those in the say, evening rounds we'll be looking at all of these. Yeah, with this we complete the day, and yeah, the day in the hospital is completed. But after the day we have a lot of assignments, or not assignments exactly. So we would have seen new cases, and obviously it's impossible that we know everything. So we will have to keep reading, and there are new guidelines each and every day, and every patient will provide us an opportunity to learn new things. So whatever we read in the book, most of the patients will not be having the same symptoms or the similar symptoms. So we will have to make our own DDs and read about it, and reread about it, and so that we arrive at the correct diagnosis and provide with the correct treatment. So with this, let's start. My current mode of transport, my two-wheeler. So yeah, see you all in the hospital then. And obviously, like any city, traffic has to be there. So I've just reached the hospital, and it is a very, very hot day. So this is the parking area, and that is what you see is AIMS emergency block. So let's get inside it. So basically, first we will have to attend our respective rounds, and then later we will have some ICU rounds, and then we will have our OPD from 2 o'clock. And most of the days we have class. So I've just reached the DDR, duty doctor's room, and yeah, sir had asked to make a short summary of one case. So I just make the short summary, and also sir keeps sharing many articles which we need to read and update ourselves, and you have to read for the case. So I just carry the iPad and all the articles in this. So short read of all these necessary things. Then let's see the patient progress today. So this was a patient admitted under ID. So I'm just asking few basic questions for as a follow-up, and the examination, and obviously for the issues I've just hidden all the faces. I've tried to make the video as such. One good thing is we have this online software where we can access all the reports of the patient. So yes, so it's rounds time now. Before the rounds I just saw that case, and for the rounds I just carry my book and iPad sometimes, and obviously a pen. So let's go for the rounds. So this is our ward. So this is currently the medicine ward where I am in, waiting for the faculty rounds.
So basically, we have two kinds of rounds: the general rounds and the ID rounds. During the general rounds, the respective faculty of the ward will be taking it, and we will be giving opinion regarding the various antibiotics and various diagnoses when in a dilemma. And we have specific ID rounds which will be done by our course coordinator, and this where we'll be discussing in detail about the various ID cases which are admitted in the ward. Next. So we have to go after the rounds. We go around to the micro lab to get all the any reports which were pending. So this is the micro lab side. So after quick lunch, today being a Thursday, we have our ID clinic, that is the OPD. So let's go to the OPD now. And this is the connection. So we have the IPD block. So previously what I showed was the IPD block, and now I'm moving towards the OPD. Thankfully there is a connection inside. So yeah, so this is the way to the OPD, and I must appreciate it's very well structured. So we have just reached the medicine OPD, which is in the first floor, B block. And let's get inside. So this is where we will be having our OPD, and it runs on Thursday. So this is the setup of our OPD. So basically all the ID students with our course in charge and senior professor will be sitting together and seeing all the ID cases. Various ID cases on discharge, they will be referred to our ID clinic on Thursdays, and all your HIV, TB, etc. So we also have our classes which we have to attend. So we are on our way to the micro class today, the blood culture made, which is from 4 to 5. So basically in this, the micro residents will be presenting the various cases which they have seen during the pathogen directed AMSP, where they will be retrospectively going to the cases which have in which the blood culture has flagged. So they'll be presenting their perspective, and we will be providing our perspective to this. Also, they are all it's not just the ID and micro. There are other departments which are involved as well, especially the AICU team and other concerned teams also will be involved. And we have our orientation also going on. So this is in the auditorium where we have our orientation happening. So after the orientation, we are back for the evening rounds. So yes, the evening rounds usually happen around 6:37ish. These are short rounds, but yeah, it's a required rounds, and sometimes we do have references from various department. So we get various references from gastrology, urology, gastrosurgery, pediatrics, radiation oncology, many references. So we go for those references and give our opinion for it. So that's it. I think we are done for the day. So that's the day in a ID student's life. Fun fact, the sunsets in Rajasthan happen very late, 7:38, and that's how bright it looks when you come out of the hospital even at 7:30. Yes, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So each day is a new learning experience. So yeah, looking forward for the next day of learning. Bye.